So that's the lead thrown on now. Now I've just got to warm it up again, get it all smoothed out. I was getting a little bit of warpage while doing that on the panel, more so in this area here. So once this is all done, I'm hoping that I can get my shrinking disc on these certain areas on the panel and get it nice and tight, take out any bows in it. So there we go, there's the panel all leaded now, and I've managed to take a couple of indentations from the other side, just hitting it with the hammer, bringing the panel out a little bit more. It still needs a little bit of levelling out in a few places. The body filler will get that, but I think I'm going to try and just let in a little bit more lead, more so on these corner pieces, and especially up on that rear section there. It's still a little bit low, so a bit more tidying up to do. So just having a little look at this side panel now, and trying to get a little bit of a flexibility out of it. And what I'm doing is using my shrinking disc kit I got from the States a little while back. The kit's a little bit of a shame. It doesn't allow me to use the rubber backing pad and the actual captive nut for the disc itself. The threads are totally different size, so I'm making do with what I can at the moment. I'm not using the disc to its full potential really. I'm sort of just using this outer edge rather than the whole face of the disc. But so far I've done this little area here, that one here, and there's no springiness in that panel at all now after using it. Now if I just push that there, that's what I'm trying to get out, and that's what all these other sections were like until I used the disc. There's nothing there at all now, so I'll get the disc on there and get it out.